Let's welcome in our first guest on the show, Hemen Kapadia, Senior VP Institutional Equities, KR Choksey, is now with us. Hemen, thanks for taking out time for us. What is the perspective you have on the markets at this point of time?
Very good afternoon, Pankaj. Thank you for having me. I think it's slightly simple, Pankaj. We've had a 1,000-point rally as far as the Nifty is concerned. We've walked into a breather. The bank Nifty refuses to acknowledge the laws of gravity. So the way I see it, we have a expiry this week. We have a holiday on Monday. VIX is 11.5. I mean, if you see the OI on last Friday, Pankaj, it was 91 lakhs as far as the Nifty is concerned. I mean, that is woeful in a sense. What I mean to say is very less participation. We are light. People are away from the market. The VIX is too low to even sell calls and puts. So one day something happens, then it shoots to the roof. So frankly speaking, not a very tradable market. Stock specific action is there, but the market in the near term doesn't seem to want to go anywhere. Undercurrent remains bullish, Pankaj. France at an all-time high, Germany looking good, Dow on cusp of a breakout. We're not going to be left behind. The way I see it, the 1,000-point rise needs to be digested. What's happening now? Once this is done, it could take anything between 2 to 5, 7 trading sessions. Above 17,850, the next move could take us to 18.2. So I'd say buy on declines.
Hemen, very good afternoon. Vinny joining in as well. Buy on decline is what we're seeing. You just said stock specific, but is there any specific sector that you would look at as of now as well? You know, obviously PSU banks have been leading the gains. Metals are doing that as well today as well. What would you seem to be looking as a sector, and which sector would you look at stocks then?
Very important question, Vinny. I think firstly, coming back to what you said, okay, there is weightage of ITC a lot, but if you look at the Nifty FMCG index, Vinny, if I could please draw your attention to it, we've posted a fresh all-time high for the second week in a row, and we're breaking out after a major consolidation of, I wouldn't say major, but a medium-term consolidation of almost 14 weeks. So the Nifty FMCG index is going great guns. So that is something which looks good. We do not have a cement index, Vinny, but cement is slightly corrective. But that also after this correction should do well. Like you're saying, metals is in a bounce back. IT selectively good. And more importantly, I think you already said it, but I'm just repeating what you said. The Nifty PSU bank index looks very interesting. I believe we've seen State Bank lead the rally, but I think there is a lot more headroom there. So with correction, that is something which has the propensity and the capacity to surprise. At the risk of sounding overly bullish, I think the Nifty PSU bank index might actually post a fresh all-time high a few months down the line. That is assuming the markets sustain.
What are your top ideas then?
ACC looks good. Oversold, Pankaj, downside limited, positive divergence, mechanical indicators on the weekly chart giving a buy. So ACC looks interesting. Buy at 1740, stop loss 1700, target 1820. Second stock which looks very interesting is Bajaj Finserv. I know the results are just around the corner, but stock looks extremely positive. Once again, we are on the verge of overcoming the 55-day exponential moving average today. MACD stochastic RSI, buy on the daily chart, buy on the weekly chart, a 3-week consolidation, and now setting the stage for a move. So looks very promising. Bajaj Finserv, one can buy at 1340, stop loss 1300, target 1420.
All right. Thanks so much for taking out time for us, Hemen. Always good to get perspective from you.